Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making berry pie. It is a yummy dessert that our family likes to make sometimes on the weekend, and it is very delicious and healthy and the perfect dessert for spring. It's a wonderful dessert and I'd love to share it with you. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making berry pie. It is a yummy dessert that our family likes to make sometimes on the weekend, and it is very delicious and healthy and the perfect dessert for spring. It's a wonderful dessert and I'd love to share it with you. The ingredients for this recipe include berries, yogurt, and cookies, and also bananas and butter. The first thing we're going to do is make a cookie crush, and we're going to do that by crushing up the cookies. This is one package of cookies that I baked, and we're going to grind it for our cookie crust. You want it to be blended until there's no more big chunks. Okay, next I'm going to mix in my cookie crumbles with some butter and mix that in, and then we will form our crust. Next, I'm going to add my butter to the breadcrumbs, and then we will mix it up. Okay, now we're going to press it in, and I washed my hands, so fingers are clean. Okay, so now you're going to put the pie shell in the oven for 350 for 10 minutes. Okay, so the pie is finished cooking and now it's ready to be decorated. Okay, I let the pie still cool, and now I'm adding my yogurt and spreading it out. You can use any flavor yogurt you want, but I chose plain just because I think the berries are sweet enough for me and my family. So now you add your berries. I have strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and bananas. looks really pretty. This part is probably one of my most favorite parts. I love decorating it and just adds. Okay, sounds good.
And if you talk, it's gonna go sound like Minnie Mouse.
Okay, be quiet. If you want, you can sprinkle some honey or cacao nibs or cinnamon on top. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's one of my family's favorite healthy dessert recipes, and I hope that it becomes one of your family's favorites too. Until next time, because you deserve to know.